Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a really simple dish. It's just going to be prawns with a nice paprika mayonnaise. The only reason I've chosen this dish is because it's a really good starter, or if you're having a barbecue or anything like that, it's really good to just have around the table. So today's ingredients: bit of mayonnaise, our paprika, 3 cloves of garlic, banana shallot and a gem lettuce as well. Alright, to start, the shallot. Cut down there, take this end off, cut directly down the middle. Cut down that bit, and then we're just going to slice down. Now if you want the finer pieces, you can carry on breaking them down, but I like my bits quite chunky. Get our garlic. Same process as always. Chop. Peel. Crush. Cut. And we're going to repeat that process for the other 2 as well. Now the only reason I'm using shallots instead of onions is because they've got a bit more of a sweeter taste to them. When using dishes like this, it brings out the flavour a little bit more. I use red onions and things more for salads and not so much for cooking. Get a pan. Going to go straight in like that, and we're going to be cooking them with the prawns. We're going to get our prawns, and the only reason this is a really easy dish is because I literally bought these ones from Tesco's. They're just the Jumbo King prawns. You want the raw ones. Pop them straight in there. Butter. Just 1 spoon like that. Now we're ready for the whole. So I've just put this one on a high heat. I'm just going to leave that one there to cook. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get my lettuce. I'm going to take back all of the leaves like that. I'm going to place them around the plate. Get our mayonnaise. A nice touch of paprika. Just going to mix it in. Two minutes to cook on a high heat. What we're looking for is that nice pink colour on all the prawns. I'll give that about another 30 seconds and these will be ready. Now that the prawns are ready, just turn the heat off. Make it close down. I'm just going to spoon these on. So there we have it guys, that is my prawn with paprika mayonnaise. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.